Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Conrad Sangma mentaka singiu la penremi ke jing kynnoh balabu persya Deputy Chief Minister ubak singiu bhalang dahar bat ka sarkar hak baya dei bat drugs bat ke jing Khaïi Drok bian bat ula khot ye ki kum ki jing kynnoh ki bom don Nongrim ula ong bakalong ka bat ngau si bagi nong elam nakaliang persya ki la pen pau ke jing kynnoh Khlem ka Nongrim Kaba Biang la kynnoh ru baka NPP kala penen kami ka pisa ban thombore ki MLA na ki wei pat ki seng san perthei haba kentho halor kani u Conrad Sangma ula ong babaro ki MLA ki bala peniesno bat ka NPP ki la shim ye kani ka sinjam na ka benta ka roi ka par
to the National People's Party have made it very clear that they are working for development. They have come into the government with expectation that there will be development work that will be taking place in their constituencies and the people of their constituency will benefit. So we are very, very clear about that aspect. Regarding the allegations, as I said, that are made are completely baseless. One can make any allegations and it's very unfortunate that responsible leaders at that level could make such statements without any basis or any kind of facts is something that is really, very unfortunate. And a strong allegation like that individuals are involved in drugs, which is, I said, not just completely wrong in terms of our society, but it is anti-national in its entirety, and the kind of effect and impact it has, the amount of work that we have done to ensure that we are curtailing and we are ensuring that we are able to capture, pick up people and stop the entire flow of drugs. A lot of efforts have gone in and you've seen it in the last 3 years, the amount of work that has been put into by the government to control this entire scenario, and more will be done in the coming days. In fact, we have just notified a committee that will be headed by ADCs in different districts, including Shillong, where we will have members from different localities also part of it, headmens and rangbashnongs and development committees and so on and so forth. And the mandate will be to not just look at the drugs issue within localities, but also monitor the implementation of MRSSA, also look into the aspects of cleanliness in a particular locality, and also water related issues.